Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Paint Express in Richards Bay, a Plascon paint expert store and member of Paint Club.
The store is basically in operation for the last 25 years. The store is basically customer orientated in regards to service to our customers and our tinting.
What makes me proud of the store is that Plascon has made products that are exclusive to us. And the thing is, it helps me do my job better. So basically, there's every product for every problem that you have in your home.
What makes it the best paint store in Richards Bay is that all our color matching is done via ATMs. So the customer always gets the color mixed correctly. I would say a 99% match.
Overall, I like the Plascon brand based on the years that it's been here. I mean, it's been here for many years and it's grown for so many years and it's a well-known established brand. My favorite Plascon product would be the touch-up spray. It's simply an automotive product. It's convenient for a customer to walk in and say, well, I've scratched my car. And we say, well, we've got a solution. Small touch-up spray, we have a specialized spectrometer that we have in store that matches a color to the T.
DIY tip is preparation is key. Always ensure that your preparation is done properly, and then your top coats will always adhere and give you the guarantees that is guaranteed by Plascon.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.